Today we're gonna make some meatloaf sandwiches. So we have this wonderful meatloaf made the other night. This was cheese bacon meatloaf. So regular meatloaf, little cheese flavored in there, a little bacon in there, barbecue sauce on it. It was great. You gotta check out that video. After this one, of course. So what I'm doing now is kind of getting things ready, heating it up. We're gonna use some nice rye bread, some nice mozzarella cheese on there, some more barbecue, and just make some nice simple sandwiches out of some leftover meatloaf. So let me finish things up here. We'll be right back. First thing we're going to do is start reheating up some of this meatloaf. It's been in the fridge. And right now I got high heat, still coming up to temperature. And you'll probably notice the camera tripod is going to be moving around a bit because it's pretty windy out. Give these a few minutes. I'm going to brown them up nice, and then we're going to put some of the same barbecue sauce. I still got some left. And then some mozzarella. Let that melt down a little bit, and then we'll toast up some rye bread. We're getting some nice color on these. All right, these guys are browning up real nice. Flip them one more time. Look at that. Go ahead and add our barbecue. This is nice and it's not cold anymore. It's been sitting next to the griddle. Woo! I spread it around a little bit. I turn this down probably to medium. Actually, I'm going to turn everything else down to medium too. So now we're medium everywhere. So we're going to put some mozzarella on there. While we let those guys go, let's go ahead and do the rye bread. Okay, start out with these two. All right, got all the rye toast on here. Just turn this off. Turn this one off. These are two on medium. Okay, let's turn everybody off and start making some sandwiches. Let's take this guy. See what the Other side of him looks like. Nice. Move him over. And lastly, this one. All right, let's plate them up. Hey, that was pretty cool. What did it take? About 20 minutes? So, made a bunch of these. This was just, again, leftover meatloaf from the other night. Take a bite here. See that cheese coming out? We got the cheese. Got the barbecue in there. Feel free to put even more barbecue on there if you want. So, let me know in the comments what you think. And we'll see you next time. What do you guys do with your leftover meatloaf?